Guys, I came to get my photo ID for CNE, and this is how it turned out. There is such a big line. My family and me got our photo IDs because we're vendors. Everybody's gonna get their preparation done because CNE's gonna open in 2 days. Everybody's coming to get their booth ready for CNE when it opens to the public. In CNE this year, there was 5 new rides added. And before CNE opens to the public, I'm showing how it looks. Me and my family worked on making our booth and we got so tired and then we went home to get some rest. And the view is really pretty in CNE because you could see the CN Tower. Guys, I'm so excited to go on the new rides this year. I already got my passes, so I'm ready for the rides. And if you guys come to CNE, make sure to come to NB Shades because it is gonna be really sunny. There's so many different designs in our glasses, and there's even kid glasses. And there's gonna be ice skating shows every single day between the time. Just for a sneak peek for you guys, you know the mustard and ketchup ice cream? There's new flavors added. Guys, this is how much we did on the booth so far. It took a lot of time, but it's really nice. Now I'm gonna show you the view. I'm at CNE outside at the nighttime, and this is the new Ferris wheel which just came. It's 150 feet. And it's such a beautiful view here. You can see the CN Tower too. Guys, everybody's preparing. They're putting all the fun games and everything. Well, the whole CNE is gonna open in 18th of August. Games. If you come to CNE and you want to explore the whole CNE, your legs will hurt definitely. CNE is really big. Definitely come with your family. CNE is so amazing. You could explore so much. Guys, this is the kids' theme park. It's so big too, and there's a baby Ferris wheel for them. It's a kid Ferris wheel and it's so cute. I was putting everything in my stall and I'm done. I have one more stall to do and it's so fun. The theme park, CNE is so big. I didn't even know the kids side was here. This is so amazing. Guys, there's one day left and then CNE will open for everybody, for the public. And I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe.